Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am going to share with you a Grove Collaborative unboxing. So I just received my second box of products from Grove Collaborative, and the first box was a total wow for me. I really loved all of the products. So I went ahead and did a second order, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm a total organization and cleaning nerd, and so this subscription for cleaning products, it's not just cleaning products. I also tried out their face moisturizer and just all different kinds of things. So a lot of it is very all natural based. So they sell like Burt's Bees and Dr. Bronner's and Mrs. Meyer's and 7th Generation, and so that really appeals to me. I get headaches really easy, and so having more of a natural cleaning product option just makes me feel a lot better instead of getting the headaches from like the heavy bleach cleaners. So anyway, this is the second order that I received from them, and if you're a new order, if you place an order with them right now, they have a 5-piece free gift set, and it is amazing. So I just wanted to share this with you guys in case any of you all are like me and you're a cleaning products nerd. And so I haven't opened this yet, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. It comes in just a regular box, and usually it has kind of like a little cute label right here that's like all sunshiny, says Grove Collaborative. It looks like maybe this one, I don't know, got peeled off, so we'll see. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So with the first order that I did, I actually got, I'm gonna have to share this with you guys just really quick, and I think I talked about it in one of my shabby chic furniture makeovers, but I got this super cute pink apron, and I love it. It is my new crafting cleaning apron. What I really love about it, of course, is that it's pink, but I love that it comes down further. So if I'm doing like a heavy project, I don't like ruin my clothes. So anyway, I got that in my last order, and then the other thing that I really loved that I got was this free glass spray bottle, and I love the color because it matches the mint kind of green in my kitchen, and also so I mix my all natural vinegar water and just regular dish soap cleaner in here. So this, I always know, like, I can spray this around food and I know there's no chemicals getting on anything for the most part. So I love this bottle. So anyway, that was in my last order, and then I also ordered like some dishwasher packs, which I love. I ordered their tub and tile cleaner. I'm just okay about the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner, but everything else I've really loved. So, okay, we're going to check out this box and see what I got in here. I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I love getting packages in the mail. Such a nerd. Okay, I'm really excited about this. And so the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner is my first excitement, and this is in the mint. I have seen so many people use this and absolutely love it, so I'm super excited to try it. I'm out of glass and surface cleaner, and I just wanted to have something that smells yummy. My all natural cleaner that I use is great, but it is kind of a little bit stinky, and sometimes I'm not in the mood for that. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for though to receive. I am super excited about this. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Peony scent all-purpose cleaner. Number one, the bottle is pink, and so I think this is so cute. I told you guys I was a total cleaning product nerd. But there it is. And so I'm super excited to use this and try it. I'll let you guys know if it smells really good, but it's in pink peony, and so I can't imagine that that's not going to be amazing. And then the next thing I ordered was, this is the room freshener in Honeysuckle, and this is the Mrs. Meyer's. So I'm going to just cut this off right here. So yeah, it says aromatherapeutic household products, creating clean and happy homes since 2001, tough on dirt and grind. gentle on your home. So this is just a room freshener spray. Anyway, it looks like, okay, so it looks like, anyway, I'm going to try this and tell you guys how I like that. That is in the Honeysuckle. And then the next thing I wanted to try were some of their toothbrushes. For whatever reason, we are always going through toothbrushes in my home. And so these I love because they're made out of recycled yogurt cups, and so I love that. I got everybody the medium. I got these for myself, my husband, and my daughter. My son Max has a certain toothbrush that he loves. He was not interested in trying those. So anyway, so we'll try those out and I'll let you guys know how those go. I also tried out the Tom's Wicked Fresh Cool Peppermint toothpaste. I'm really excited to try this. It's really funny because my parents used to use all natural toothpaste and it drove me crazy when I was growing up. But I do have super sensitive teeth, and so I'm just hoping that I love this. I don't really have a problem with my regular toothpaste. I was just excited to try the Tom's. So anyway, so that's that. And let's see what else we tried. Okay. Oh, so I also tried their anti-bac toilet cleaner. Again, this is in the spearmint. I kind of like the blue bottle, but I was just really hoping too to find a toilet cleaner that is not like super toxic. And this also is a germ buster because, oh my gosh, my boys' bathroom, let's not talk about that. Actually, it looks like I got 4 toothbrushes, so Max can actually try this if he wants. And then I think with my order, it came free, but I got the hand sanitizer spray and blood orange. I'm going to keep this in my purse for hand sanitizer. And let me see. I think that this is kind of like, it says eliminates 99% of germs. So I'm excited to try that. It says with moisturizing coconut oil. I'm going to see if I like it. It smells good. Ooh, it smells like oranges. Is anybody else obsessed with citrus right now? I kind of am. So I'm loving that it's got like a little spray. So anyway, I'm loving that. And then the last thing I had on this order was I wanted to try this hand soap. Okay, this is the lemon verbena hand soap. I did try I think it was the geranium, and I like that. I liked it because it came in the pink bottle. But like I said before, I'm obsessed with citrus, and so I really felt like I would really love this hand soap. And so what I love about this subscription-based Growth Collaborative option is that I have to smell this real fast. I'm super excited about this. This smells really good. Okay, so you guys have to try the lemon verbena. So that's the lemon verbena hand soap. I guess I'm saying that right, verbena. But anyway, what I love about the Growth Collaborative website is it's kind of the same thing like that hooked me on Ipsy. I don't know if you guys get the Ipsy makeup bag subscriptions, but it's like $10 a month to get the makeup bags. And it seems like every month I'm out of like the majority of these things. Like I'm already out of my hand soap, so you know, a month later it came just in time. I don't have to remember to pick it up at the store. And it has this cute little bottle, and it has a lovely scent, and it's it's like aromatherapy household cleaning products. So it just makes you feel like a happy cleaner, I guess. I don't know how to describe it except for it just makes me look forward to cleaning. And these are already household things that I would need. So like I'm already out of my multi-purpose spray, and so this pink peony, if I love it, I'm definitely going to stock up on it because you guys look how cute the bottle is. I mean, that is so stinking cute, and I think it's going to smell delicious. I love peonies, so And actually, you guys, stay tuned too, especially to my Facebook. I'll announce it on Facebook and Instagram, but I'm giving away a canvas artwork in the next couple of days. It's a giant pink peony picture that I'm going to share with you guys. And so I ordered one for myself, and then I'm going to be giving you guys away one. I think it's a 16 by 20. So stay tuned to my pages and I'll announce that giveaway. So I'm just super excited about these products. I just feel like this really kind of makes cleaning fun. I know a lot of people don't like to clean, but for me, it's really helped me kind of keep my stress levels and anxiety under control. I just feel like that when I have things clean and organized, I guess it gives me a little bit more control over my environment. Now, you guys, I totally pray, like I believe in God and all of those things, but there's a certain level of stress that comes with letting your children go. And so I'm experiencing that. I'm going through that. My kids are getting older. You know, I've been a stay-at-home mom or work-at-home mom for years. And so it's just a lot to put that trust in. Anyway, so I've been doing a lot of cleaning, and for me, I love getting packages in the mail, you guys. It's so exciting for me. I guess I'm like a little kid, but it's super fun to get a box of stuff that I need, so it's not like I'm wasting money. This is all stuff that I would be using anyway. The air freshener is probably a little bit of a splurge. Like normally I probably would not, you know, but all of these products, like seriously, are really, really, really affordable, and that's what I love too. Is like this is about how much I would be spending on products anyway at Walmart that are full of toxins. So there's about 15 to 20 different all natural, you know, products that you can choose from different things, like, you know, trash bags to recycle paper towels to you know, soap for your body, for your face, just whatever you may need kind of in like the cleaning product, beauty product line they have, Grove Collaborative has. So I love Grove Collaborative. This is not a sponsored video. I am just sharing this with you guys from my heart because it has been a game changer for me as far as cleaning is concerned. And I'll leave a link down. You guys order some of these products, you get a 5-piece free gift set. And then if you're new or if you have already ordered before, they also have some free gifts for you as well. But this will just help me buy more products and also share some of my cleaning videos and organizing videos with you guys. So check out that link down below. And I just want to thank you guys for stopping by. I will let you know what I think about this stuff. I'm super excited. I've seen so many YouTubers using these products and they seem happy when they're cleaning. So hopefully this will make my cleaning a little bit more fun and therapeutic because it's very aromatherapy scents and based. So anyway, I love you guys and we'll talk to you later. If you guys are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.